but you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool?
G'day guys, my name's Dave and welcome to another Guitar Zero to Hero song tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars, which is a really cool track. Now, for the basics of this song, you'll need your guitar in standard tuning and you'll need to capo on the 4th fret of your guitar. If you want to master your chords back to front, then be sure to head over to guitarzerotohero.com to pick up my free guitar ebook. Or if you want to improve on your guitar in general, then sign up to GZ2H Premium, which is my complete step-by-step guitar course. Let's jump into the lesson. All right, let's start with the intro, which is really nice and easy, and we're just playing a C chord for 2 bars. Now, the strumming pattern is going to be all down strums at 8th notes, followed by a quick up strum. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now, what we can also do is on the end beats, just focus on playing the top bass note or top 2 strings of whatever chord we're playing. So 1 and... So notice how on the end beat, I'm only hitting either 1 or 2 of the top bass notes of the chord I'm playing. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that gives you more of that piano vibe that's in the actual song. So we're going to do that for 2 bars on the C, and this is the intro. Next we get to the verse, which is 1 line of chords. We continue on with our C for 1 bar. Then we go to an E7, so same as an E major, except we lift our ring finger. And then we go to an A minor, G. So that A minor and G are contained within the 1 strumming pattern. And we change chords on the 3rd beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go to an F chord. So you can play a regular F bar chord, but I like to play my F chords like this. So ring and pinky on the 3rd frets of the 5th and 4th strings, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd, index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and ideally, if you can, get your thumb to reach over and hit that 1st fret of the 6th string. Or you can just do the regular F bar chord too. So that's the verse chord progression, which will sound like this in total. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, 3, 4. Next we get to the pre-chorus, which is really nice and easy. There's just 4 chords. We have a D minor for a full strumming pattern, then a G for a full strumming pattern, back to our D minor, and then we end with the G. So the pre-chorus. Next we get to chorus 1, which is also the same as chorus number 3. So there's 3 lines of chords here. We're going to start with our F chord. Now again, you can play a regular F bar chord if you want to, or this thumb F chord. So we have an F and a G that's shared within 1 strumming pattern, similar to how we had the A minor and G in the verse. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go to an A minor for a full bar. And then we do the F, G, and A minor again. And that's it for the first line of chords. For the second line of chords, we start again with the F and G contained within 1 strumming pattern. And then we go to a C, a G/B, which is the same as a G, except we're only strumming from the 5th string onwards. Then A minor and G. So 4 chords contained within 1 bar. And each chord is just going to be played with a down, down, up. So those 4 chords in succession, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we go to an F for a full bar, and then a G, but we're just going to end on the 3 beat here. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So this second line of chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the third line of chords, we're going to hit an A minor, hold that out for 2 beats, G for 2 beats, and and then a D chord and hold that out for a full bar. So the third line of chords, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and chorus number 1 / number 3 in total sounds like this. The next section to learn is chorus number 2, and it differs from chorus number 1 and 3 a little bit in that it's just cutting out the third line of chords, but everything else is exactly the same, which makes it pretty easy. The next part we need to learn is the bridge, and we have a D minor, a C, a D minor, and a G. So we're going to play each of those chords for one strumming pattern, and the bridge will just sound like this. That's it for the bridge. And the final thing we need to learn is the outro, and it's really, really easy because it's a C chord for one strumming pattern, and then we end the song with an E7. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E7. And those are all the parts that you need to learn for this song. So now I'll be doing a full playthrough of the song, and I'll have my good friend Eric lending his awesome vocals to this playthrough. Feel free to play this back as many times as you'd like to practice, play along to, and see how you go.
They don't understand. You're all
Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this lesson, then I know you'll absolutely love these other lessons too. So hit the link here. Or if you want to grab a copy of my free guitar ebook, then head over to guitarzerotohero.com or click the link here. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time on Guitar Zero to Hero. Cheers.